Okay, so there's the emergency override button and status LED for the alarm. If we press the remote control, we arm the system, a couple of flashes, a couple of beeps. You can see the LED remains solid for around about 20 seconds. Once it's fully activated and happy, it'll start flashing to signal the system's armed. Now this is a driver card. This system's programmed to need to see the driver card in close proximity for you to be able to disarm it using the original remote control. So if somebody steals or clones your Ford or whatever make remote control, unless they've got this card, the system won't disarm. So what I'm going to do on this video is let's assume your ADR card has lost or battery's flat inside it. Each system comes with a unique PIN code to disarm in an emergency, which we use this LED and this button for. So I'll show you how to do that. On this one we've put in the code 3312, so I'm going to enter that now. See, the system's armed now because the LED is flashing. I'll keep it very still so it doesn't trigger. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 1 2. There you go. You see on the last entry the system disarms. So one beep, one flash, LED stop flashing now. So now we know the system's disarmed and the immobiliser's disarmed and you're safe to drive the vehicle. Each system comes with its own unique 4-digit PIN code, which we can customise to suit your own requirements. But that's with a system that's using a driver recognition card. So typically the system will only disarm if it can see the signal from the remote control to unlock the vehicle and the signal from the wireless proximity card. But yeah, if it doesn't see the card, or your battery's flat in your card, or you've lost your card, you've still got an emergency override procedure to enable you to get in and disarm the system and start the